Hey YouTube, it's Alicia and I am back and I'm here to give you a video. And this video is all about affordable hair care that I use from Walmart that maintains my 3C for a hair type with tighter or looser curls. And this is this and some of this stuff my sister also used, so it's combining both of what we have used over the years. So without no further ado, let's get started. None other, I will be telling you some prices. Mostly make sure you check your local Walmart for prices, because the prices will vary a bit. So none other, let's get started. So I have to start off with Miss Jessie Pillow Soft Curls styling lotion, ranging between $10 and $13. That's a really pretty good product. It mostly keeps your hair soft and thin. So yes. The next thing is the Aussie Miracle Frizz Taming Curl Cream for $4.97. Aussie Miracle Curls Leave-In Detangling Milk for $4.97. Aussie Miracle Curls Coconut Curl Defining Oil, $4.97. And Aussie Curls with Coconut Oil Shampoo and Conditioner, $4.97. And Aussie Miracle Curls Second Day Curl Activator for $4.97. Now, at one point in 2019, those was the products that I used on my hair, and I loved it. It kept my hair soft and thin, and it gave me growth and stuff. The next thing is something that me and my sister both have used, and it's the Cantu. Let me just tell you about Cantu. You can find Cantu anywhere. You can get it at Walmart, you can get it at Dollar General, Family Dollar, you name it, or beauty supply store. You can get it from any other store as well when it comes to Cantu. Now, the Cantu products that we usually use is Cantu Coconut Curl Cream for natural hair and Shea butter, and it's $10.97. We have the Cantu Cleaning Cream Shampoo for natural hair, sulfate free, and also the conditioner as well for $4.97 as well. You have the Cantu Shea Butter Moisturizing Curl Detangling, supposed to be detangling hairstyling cream for $8, between $8 and $11. So those are the products we use. Now, this is not product. You can also get it at DG as well, but it's the Carefree Curl Gold Instant Activator Moisturizing Styling Gel for $5.98. This is a product that you probably have seen me use constantly on my YouTube channel with my hair and stuff. And so I actually used it today a bit. You only can see like a little bit of the curls lower because I'm due for a haircut. But if you see right in here, you can see more. That's where more of the tighter curls will be at for me. But I digest. Okay, and the next one is one product that I have used it and stuff, is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Kids Nourish Moisturizing Volumizing Detangling Spray for $8.79. Now with this product, I have also use it to detangle my hair, and I have also used it as a styler, so it works both ways. When it comes down to it, it works both ways. Okay, the next one is one of my favorite products I actually do use, and it's the Suave Pink Luscious Curl Shampoo Curl Defining Shampoo and Conditioner for $4.98. And the Suave Pink Luscious Curls Defining Cream for $4.98. These are products I use to start off my curl journey, to get my curls to come back. if I have a perm and I'm down to my last bit of my perm, this is the product I use. I have to use that for a couple of weeks and then my curls will come in. But it's a good product. It's a pretty good product. Now, the next product is the As I Am brand. And it is the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash Cleaning Conditioner for $7.22. As I Am Double Butter Daily Moisturizing Cream for $5.51. And As I Am Curling Jelly Coral and Curls Defined $12.97. So that is some pretty good products right there. And As I Am Curling Gel Corals and Curls Defining Gel for $12.97. Now with As I Am products, you can also find that also in you can get them at Walmart, but you also can get them at DG as well, Dollar General. Let me just say that. And then you have Curls, the Curls brand, and you can get the Curls Blue Bliss Curl Control Paste for $8.99. Excuse me, y'all. Tongue tie right there. And then you can get the Curls Passion Fruit Curl Control Shine Enchanting Styling Cream with shea butter and mango seed butter for $7.97 as well. You can get the African Pride Dream Kids Olive Miracle Quick Bounce Detangling Putty. That's a pretty good product as well, and that's $2.68. Now these next two products, one that my sister have used and one I use a lot, but it's one of my favorite. These are our favorite gels to use. One is the Eco Styling Gel for curls and waves, and that's the pink gel. It works wonders, and it's more of a soft hold. You wouldn't need much of it. Depends on how long your hair is, but it's like $3.77. You can also find it at your, if you ever in Kroger's, you can also find it in Kroger's and stuff. But overall, yeah, that's a pretty good product. And think another product that I use is the Hawaii Silk Activator Gel, and it's $11.20. And you can also find this particular product also at the beauty supply store, and I think you can find it and stuff. And then when it comes to coloring my hair, because I do get my hair colored, it's only one brand I stick to, and that is the Revlon Color Silk Beautiful Hair Color Dye. And the colors that I stick with is Auburn Brown 49, Dark Auburn 31, Burgundy 48, Deep Burgundy 34. Those are all the affordable hair care that I use that are affordable, and they are at Walmart. If I did not mention some brands that you are knowing me of using, I do have them a part of a video. It's part of a different video. But like I said, with some of these products that I did list, I will list them below. These are products that you can find at Walmart, and I'm telling you, they are good. And this is they help keep my hair soft as well. So I always look, and it's things that I look for to keep my hair soft. Number one thing when I'll be looking for things, I try to find things that don't hardly have alcohol in it. I try to look for things with no alcohol in it. I use sulfate and paraben free hair products, and I look for cruelty free hair products. But I will be coming back with my Ulta Beauty one, and I'll have a special shampoo and conditioners and thing. And then I'm gonna do hair care products that for curly hair that you need to stay away from, because I had to learn the hard way and stuff. But until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.